Hello everyone. In this video today I am talking about a new tool that I developed. This is an AI based tool which is posting posts on LinkedIn. So as you can see, it generates a punchline and then an image, and then the program is scheduled to post these on a daily basis. So for this tool and in this video I'm going to do a technical dive into how it's working. So let's get into it. This is the architecture diagram for the tool. It starts with trigger using Microsoft Azure function. The timer trigger works like a cron job. So I've scheduled it to run at a specific time on a daily basis. So once that trigger is invoked, it kicks off our Node.js program, and you can see here the flow of the complete program. If we go on to the functions, the good thing about the function is it shows online the code that it's executing and how the trigger is working in a diagrammatic fashion. So the function executes, and what it does is it calls OpenAI model that is again hosted on Microsoft Azure, OpenAI Studio. Once you deploy the model, you can use it using your API keys, and it works just like a ChatGPT. It's the same model, GPT-4o. So based on these prompts, it generates a punchline, right? And it also generates the image that it needs to create, an image description and a posting headline. For generating the image, we are using DALL-E 3. So once you deploy the model, it creates these services that it needs to run these models on. So these models are, and you can use other models as well in case you don't want the delivered ones. For our purpose here, these are sufficient and they are working very good actually. So for the image, I have added some prompts as to what kind of an image I would like it to produce for the consistency sake of it. So if you scroll through all the posts, you can see that it has been pretty consistent with that. So once we have both of those things ready, our image and our punchline, using the API call, then I need to enable some of LinkedIn APIs that will let you post on your behalf programmatically, and it will generate its own API keys and other attributes that you can then use to call the LinkedIn APIs. So I'm calling the LinkedIn APIs and then making a post about the image and the punchline. So yeah, this project showcases first of all the power of Azure without too much infrastructure involvement, and you have to configure a lot of things, firewalls, API calls, CORS and all those things. You can easily make API calls to third parties using Microsoft Azure function. The function itself is hosted in a manner that you can easily call it, and it's very economic. And then how we can use generative AI to reach out a wider audience. Right now the program, the tool is just restricted to generating images and posts, but it can generate a lot of other things. It can generate articles, and it can reach out to people via LinkedIn posts. You can see who all have liked your articles and have made comments on it, and programmatically you can drop a line to them saying thank you, with a witty punchline. I hope this was valuable to you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.